Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to create new collections on Instagram. If you're looking to organize your saved posts and make your profile more personalized, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. Step 2. Locate your profile picture in the bottom right corner and tap on it to go to your profile. Step 3. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 lines. Tap on them. Step 4. From the options that appear, select Saved. Step 5. Now, look for the plus icon in the top right corner and give it a tap. Step 6. It's time to choose the saved posts you want to add to your collection. Simply tap on each post to include it. Step 7. Once you've made your selections, tap Next to proceed. Step 8. Here comes the fun part. Enter a name for your collection. Be creative and choose something that represents the content you've gathered. Step 9. Finally, tap Add in the top right corner to create your new collection. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new collection on Instagram. But wait, there's more. Did you know you can also create collections as you save posts from your Instagram feed? It's super easy. Just tap and hold the save icon below a post, then tap to create a new collection. Now you can easily organize your saved posts and showcase your interests on your profile. We hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful to you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching and happy collecting on Instagram.